И всем привет, с вами мистер Флик. Сегодня мы будем тестить приложение одно. Сейчас я вам покажу какое. Ну, звуки ФНАФа, короче. Важное перенесем. Это же приложение, не игра. Слушаем. Сейчас я вам хочу... Сейчас, слушайте. Только не испугайтесь этого. Сейчас очень страшно будет. Жестко. Чё рыгаешь? Я испугался.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Чё ржёшь? Походу он устал. Бедный. Кайфовый звук. Как будто голову свернули. Блин, выключайся. Ты чё пердишь? Это кто-то этой по канализации. Ой, не канализация, на такой трубе идет. Жестко. Чё? Ты чё ржёшь? Кто там? Мне это вообще не по себе, эти слушать звуки. Даже страшно немного. Блин, что так страшно? А, это для Фокси. Стоп. Это чика кастрюлями, это гремчит там посудой. И сейчас телефон Гай.
Hello? 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 Hey. I wanted to record a message for you. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll do fine.
Ребята, я дома один.
Let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read.
Так, видео
It's
я
kind of a legal
снимаю.
thing, you know.
Так, мы продолжим.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a
Это,
magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life.
тут написано, я перевод. Добро пожаловать в Фредди.
Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Фредди Фазберг.
Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be... Now, that might sound... Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, I won't talk quite as long this... Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long. I mean, you know, I'm not implying this. Anyway, I better not take up too much of your time. Hey, listen, I had an idea. Hey, listen, I may not be around to send you a message tomorrow. It's been a bad night here. Yeah. Okay? No. I'm not implying that. Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. No. Right? I don't know. Let's see. Now, that might sound bad, I know. There's really nothing to worry about. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Talk to you soon. See you on the flip side. All right. Good night. So, blah, blah, blah. The animatronic characters here do, if I were forced to sing, those blah, 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 these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, and we need to show them a little respect.
Или что? Я ничего не понял.
Just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up, they get turned off. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day, too.
Ребята,
But then there was the fight of 87.
Я последнее это покажу и все, потому что их очень много. Скачивайте сами.
You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system. Something about robots seeing you as an endoskeleton without its costume on and wanting to stuff you into a suit.
Стоп.
So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode.
Ладно, пока.